Hey there everybody, it's Jiggy Time Gal, back with another video. This time we have a large order from VapeWild.com. As everybody knows, this is where I usually order my vape supplies from. And we have a kind of large order from them this time. So let's get right into it. One bag of stuff, 2 bags of stuff, 3 bags of stuff. Given the bags, vape on. Okay. First thing I want to get into right away is my mod. So let's get ourselves a sweet package up. Oh my, is this beautiful? That is absolutely stunning. The rainbow on rainbow. Doesn't appear to have a covering over it. Okay. There's a box like that. Under the box, tends to have another box, and in that other box, I'm assuming is the charging cable and lanyard. Yes, we have a itty bitty baby tiny charging cable, a lanyard, oh, there's a coil, such tank. With drip tip installed, and a owner operating manual and such information, and of course the mechanism that attaches the lanyard to your device. So let's attach the lanyard, because that of course is one of the main features that made me buy this. So now this mod has the capability of vaping regular e-juice or vaping Nick Salt, which was also another selling point for me. We're going to get this little tank for doobie out of here. Okay, here's the tank doobie, and you're going to put the 2 little pins right there against the 2 little pins in here, and you're going to push it on the button, slide down, and I just did it. Slide down and click until it's in place. So again, I'll show you that again. Push down, and click. Whoops, that didn't work too well, did it? Alright, try it again. Push down and click. Like that. Now you got this tank here you can see through the window. Got this tank here you can see through the window. See how much juice you have. That's where the second bag is going to come in. I ordered a load of new juice. Pinkle Twinkle. My hand's shaking. Twinkle, twinkle. This is like strawberry Starburst. I really like this flavor. So I ordered a total of 480 milliliters of this. Now, see this little cap right here? You're going to twist it off and be careful not to lose this. You have a little hole in here and you're going to fill right in there with your e-juice approximately 2 to 2.2 milliliters of juice. Fill it up to the very top. And you're going to put your little silver knob back on and twist it just so that it's just snug. Not hard, or you will not be able to get this thing off without your pliers. Now you're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes with the cotton in here to draw. See the cotton in there? I don't know if you really can or not. You kind of can. A little bit maybe. You're going to let it wick up. Okay, and then I ordered 2 packs of refillable pods. There's 2 pods in each box. So I have a total of 4 pods for my Orion. Then I also ordered a 4-pack of Nunchuck-U coils because I have a Nunchuck-U mod as well. But this is giving me some problems lately, not firing like it's supposed to. The buttons are really particular. You brush them up against something and it shoots way up on the milligrams or the watts, and you're not even realizing it. And then when you fire it, you fry out your mod or your coil, and it's a whole big mess. So I have that. This is a backup. This here mod is backup. Now, in this bag we have, oh, we got a sticker for that. Sticker, paper. This is some of these cardboard things that teach you how to steep and what to do and things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 bottles of that Twinkle Twinkle. They're 60 milliliter bottles. So I have 8 of them. And I have 30 milliliter empty bottles to make my own juice in. And then we have those 2. I have no idea what them are. Okay, we got in this last bag here, we've got lots of goodies. Nicotine in VG, 100 milligram nicotine. We have 2 of those. Here we have some more flavors. We have 240 milliliters of 99.9% pure VG. And we have 2 of them. And then we have 240 milliliters, 99.7% pure VG. We have 2 of them. And then we have some more juices. I'll get to those here in a minute. Always send, come on, stay up. They always send these different caps for putting on the juice bottles. Yeah, and then they also sent me a card. This is new. How to DIY e-liquid. That's a new card. Sorry. I'm sorry I'm shaking so bad, guys. My sugar must be really high or really low. Okay. Now, these are what they sent me for freebies. Mystery July 19th. They always usually send a mystery of that month. And then later at the end of the month, when the new month rolls around, they'll put what the flavor was on their website. So, summer solstice. And you can look these up on the website as to what they are. NTZ 48, I have no idea what that is, but that is a 30 milliliter bottle, and that is 6 milligrams on the e-juice. Then we have flavors. We have wild strawberry, these are to make your own juices. We have blueberries, and we have 2 blueberries. And then we have Jamaican rum, iced tea, and grape candy. Okay, now, with this new mod I just got that I'm going to make on here in a second, they do not have rechargeable batteries. Well, I mean, they have rechargeable battery, but they don't. They have a battery installed in the mod. You charge it through this little port at the bottom. The other one I had charged by pulling a little piece of it. This one does not. This one just has a port right there. I don't know how I feel about that because I don't know what if dirt gets in it. You know, kind of wanted to be covered. But anyways, it also has, okay, there's 5 clicks on and it's on. Man, that juice is good. Okay. Well, this concludes the unboxing. Let's run through pricing. Okay, the Pinkity Trinkity juice was 48 milliliters, or 480 milliliters, 8 60 milliliter bottles for $59.99. The concentrated 100 milligram nicotine was 60 milliliter bottles. They were $7.49 a piece. The VG 240 milligrams was $3.99 a piece. So was the PG for 240 milliliters, $3.99 a piece. The empty 30 milliliter bottles for a 10 pack was $3.75. The DIY flavor sample pack, which was the Jamaican rum, the strawberry, and the blueberry, among others, was $10.75. They were 10 milliliter flavor bottles. The Unwell new check tube replacement coils was $12.99 for 1 box of 4. They were 0.4 ohm. The Lost Vape Orion Q Pod Kit was $27.99. And the 2 packs of 2 refillable pods. So it was a 2-pack of 2, and there was a total of 4. They were $6.99 a piece. And the grand total for this was $160.39. I had a coupon code that gave me $15.82 off. The sales tax was $13.36. I got free shipping, and it came to $157.93 for the total order. So, if you're interested in any of that, go check out VapeWild.com. I'll try to remember to put their link in the description below. And y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you very much for coming, and see you later. Catch you on the flip side.